Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In case you do, please subscribe. I'm using a back camera, so it means I'm not seeing myself. Let me try this way. Yeah. So guys, as I told you, I'll be going to the village, and it's already 5 a.m. in the morning, Central African time. So I'm getting ready. Okay, I'm ready, but then I'm waiting for someone to come and pick me so that I can go at the airport and take the flight to the village. Something about Juba, all the villages, almost 90% of the villages, apart from where I used to go, Mondari and Terikeka, I don't know about others, but they're the only one that have like nice roads to go by road. But the remaining one, the road is a struggle, so it's always advisable to take a flight from Juba to where you're going. So you're going to be going to Wow, and I have a great connection with Wow since I'm in Luo, so I'll be going there maybe to trace my ancestral place, because it's near Balhal Gazelle. I don't know if it's Balhal Gazelle or it's near. I'll find out from there. If you're South Sudanese, please comment and tell me below. But I know the Luos are there also in Wow. So I'll be guys doing a lot of videos there. I hope you enjoy, and I'm going to try, I cannot promise, but I'm gonna try my best and take you guys with me through this flight. I know it's not gonna be easy to film at the airport. Am I using Ghana? So it's not going to be easy to film at the airport, but I'm gonna try, guys. I'm gonna try. Eish. See you guys. I've already packed. Let me take you and show you my bags and everything. So guys, we have arrived at the airport, and it's really risky here, so I might not video, but yeah, maybe I'll try in the plane. But that's how Juba airport, it's a very small airport but very busy as you know, as the word be. So see you guys. Marie is already out. Bye.
My lady almost killed me when they gave me that first injection. When all those symptoms disappeared, my entire body was paining.
It's not really that serious. Okay, so guys, we are here at the airport. I'm really sneaking, so I need to do this as quick as possible before someone come and slap me or snatch away the phone. That's the airport, a sneak peek of it. Bye.
One time when I was going back to Uganda, so I think the domestic flights all use sanitizer. Anyway, let's go inside and we see. So I'll be stopping here to video because I had to make someone video me while I'm going. As you can see now, people are there waiting. The gates are about to be open for check-in. So once we check in, it's already coming to 7. So guys, yeah, it's already 7. We're going to check in and then we are going to wait by 8. We shall be boarding, and then yeah, let me go and check out what is in the airport, but I cannot video. I'll stop videoing from here. See you guys. Those are all people that I'm going with.
Madam say I've received Jesus. Let me embarrass you.
Guys, I need something cheap for my, not really cheap, affordable, for my host family.
Okay.
So I said for them this and other things.
What is that?
These are candies. I take 2. Even me, I'll eat 1. So this is the duty free. And let me move around. Guys, I'm dressing up like Yaba. You know Yaba? Abuba. So
I'm like,
going to the village.
have you turned to a man? Which one is Yaba?
Okay, I eat come and pet.
Kalas? Okay, we're coming. I think I'll need to also a short clip of moving here.
You bring the money.
Who is having money?
Ladies and gentlemen,
I don't know what's wrong with the pilot. I don't know if it's the pilot or there's some announcement. You can't hear anything. They told me that they made the English one and the Arabic one, but trust me, I did not hear neither the English one nor any word. But anyway, I could guess, since it's not my first flight, I could guess what they were saying, to fasten our seatbelt in case of any emergency, to do this, that. Anyway, this is take off, so see you guys. Pray for safe flight for us. So guys, we are going now to Wow. Maria, are you excited?
Yeah, I've not been to Wow, but the last time I was in Wow was in 2022.
I mean, this is my first time, so.
I stayed there for almost 3 months, and this is going to be my 4th time going there. I've been there so many times, and I know the place. I'm going to take you around, shall we?
Okay.
Yeah.
See you guys. We have taken off. Bye.
So guys, they serve us with mandazi. I don't know if that's a sandwich or, but it had like meat, a burger or sandwich. I cannot differentiate between that. So you guys can tell us below if you know that what it was, with some water, because the flight was an hour. So it literally means that it's far. Actually, from Kampala from Entebbe to South Sudan, it's 45 minutes, but then within South Sudan, from Juba to Wow, where we are going, is an hour. So it's basically very far compared to Uganda. Anyway, that was us landing. So guys, we have landed. That's how we are looking. We are talking with me and Naiden. I did not shoot that video when they are landing, but anyway, yeah, she is.
Welcome to Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wow Airport.
Push airline, what's the meaning?
The outside temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated. Like we have completely stopped.
See you guys when I'm
Sign of
outside.
seatbelt.
So guys, we have landed now, and we want to be the last people to get out.
Yeah.
Musu is not so.
Aike. Yeah. When you respond, Aike. You have just learned one Arabic word.
Musu.
One more.
I know.
I used to abuse that one when I was learning Arabic.
Oh, you could be like Musu.
Yeah, and
Okay.
Aike.
So guys, I'll be using Musu every time.
Aike. No, so.
Oh, and it sounds nice.
Yeah.
Musu.
I abused that one when I was learning Arabic. Juba.
So guys, we are going to wait, take our time, then we can get out. I think it's going to take back people in Juba, right?
Yeah, it is.
And be waiting.
In fact, they should not ask us to get
So
out.
get out, and get up and get our things and get our
You
things.
know what you're going to do?
I'll take
I take you.
no, don't take you on the shade. Just on this small shop. This is the aeroplane. So guys, we have reached at the airport. Now we are heading to the village.
Village or town?
Home where we are going to be staying.
It's not village.
There's no transport. There's no transport. Wow, this is how we are going. In the cargo.
Violence in that ship. But guys, the truth is, wow, it's not village like that.
It's the second biggest town
Yeah, right now.
after Juba, right?
Yeah. So
It's a village.
actually,
Juba is a
show
big
them
village.
from.
So wow is better than Juba.
Oh, it's a medium village. Medium size.
No, that was the airport.
This is our airport.
That's what?
It's a high street. So you guys, we have landed in Wow, and now you guys can see we're in the vehicle. We're heading to where we're going to stay, and there is Africa airport. So I want to show you guys. Yeah,
We
no.
go through to get caught.
So you see those donkeys, what they are carrying? They are carrying water,
Oh, like fish
drinking water. Yeah. Even growing up, that's how we used to buy water. If you want to fetch water, you buy from those ones. Like you don't get these big trucks, like for those one in Juba. Yeah. These dimples of yours, why were they hiding?
Something about
It's like they're seasonal. They show when they want.
Yeah, it makes me be smiling every time.
The beauty is beauty. The stadium. That's wow stadium.
This is the round thing.
I know this place. There used to be big supermarket somewhere here. Even the restaurants.
Which tribe is here?
Hi. Speak so many tribes. You give it
It's not for
They are laws. You're going to speak with them. Go to the village. And speak with them. This is one market here. I actually have the M group service or mobile money. Asmara.
Let's get we'll talk more later on. Yeah, that's a good play, but I didn't miss it. Yeah, I come again. I didn't have to
Yeah, this is more of that kind of way.
لا ما بس هي الفون بس لكن لو انا ما رفعت بس تكلم نفسي يعني.
You can stay there. So guys, we have finally arrived, and this is my room. I'll give you a room tour later. And I'm going to shower now. This is my bag. And Marie's Uganda flag that I'm using to go and shower, and this is what I'm going to wear. Jalabia. Yeah, so I did something free for me to shower in. So yeah, you can show them the roof of the house. I'll show you guys the room tour later, but this will be my bed. I come with a mosquito net, so most times they'll give me open there.
Lighting. So bad. Okay, it's better.
Most times they'll give you a house, but you won't have a mosquito net, so always move with the mosquito net. It's just like $14. Yeah. So that is it, guys. I'm going to shower and see you guys when I finish showering. I'm going to show you the bathroom. Yeah. This appliance. So guys, they served us food. Now we are going to eat the food. That's meat.
Yeah, that's meat stew. And this is green. Cassava leaf. Me and my kajanja want soap to wash. But you're just from showering.
Yeah, no, just soap.
You on shower. Wait.
So guys, it's already 3 p.m. and that is at 4 p.m. in Uganda, and I've been sleeping because of being tired. I'm tired that I have flu or cough. I got flu and cough. Not cough, only flu, I think. I have wipes here. I think I'll use this to wipe. So this is our home here where I'm staying for some time, and I'll be bringing for you different content, different videos. I have medicine, so guys, this is the evening now. I've been sleeping like nothing on this planet Earth. I got so tired, so I had to sleep on this compound. In the evening, they put the beds. I've seen this even in Juba, like every house has beds like outside in their compound. So the same thing applies here. There's beds. Other family members will sit here later, and then we chill. I hope now this has come to the end of the vlog. I've tried my level best. I've never done this. I've never vlogged my entire journey. This is the first time, maybe no, this is the second time, maybe when I was going to Rwanda, and then this one. So I've tried my best, and this is our compound. I'll be wearing more of this jalabia since this is what they wear in South Sudan. Women wear mostly this. So be prepared to see me in jalabia, left, right, center. Okay? It's hot. I wish I could just be in my lasso as usual, but you have to respect the society. Unless I go where they just tie lassos, I came with my lassos. But otherwise, it's all good. Thank you.